Hi, want to create this? Okay, let's create this. First, choose an blank template, then choose a color, and then go on to the element that you want to edit. Now here's the back, duplicate it, yeah, then flip it, yeah, and so now go to the app and search image blender. First one, okay. So now click on first and blend the image and adjust it like that. Okay, done. Saved it and then play it. Then go on to the elements and search white light. Search a white line, yeah, like this. Now adjust it in center and lower the transparency. Now text, add any text you want to add, like, and the font is cosmetic octo. And then choose the color and adjust it. Now choose the effect neon. Now from layer send backward. Now add some more text. Okay, now select all this and adjust the size. Now their font is Courier Prime. Okay, now select all and change the color. Adjust. Yeah, now here is our final look.